Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So cancel this 8 by 8 is equal to 8 divide 8 is equal to 1. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then addition and subtraction also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, here is one division, one multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay. So is equal to 8. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this first fraction as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication, and F means flip this last fraction. 8 divided by 8 is equal to 8 divided by 8 multiply 8. Okay, so now 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. So now the expression becomes 1 multiply 8 multiply 8. Okay, so 1 multiply 8 is equal to 8 multiply 8. So now 8 multiply 8 is equal to 64. So the correct answer is 64. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.